Hey babe, what you doing?
I just entered to win a boat.
A boat?
A 51-foot Beneteau spirit animal.
Spirit animal?
Yep. Keep your fingers crossed.
Oh boy. Make this guy really happy.
Hey y'all, you heard that correct. I entered to win a boat. Not just any boat, a 51-foot Beneteau. Current owners, Raph and Sasha, took this thing from horrible condition, took over a year to rebuild it, who knows how much money. Now it's one of the sexiest boats on the ocean. So, you're probably wondering what this boat looks like. Well, you're in luck. Here you go. Damn, she's fine. Now, the odds are not in our favor to win this boat, and we understand that. But, as some wise gamblers once told me, if you don't try, you'll never win. Yes, I'm talking about you, Becky. If you want to watch the full boat tour, Raph and Sasha have one on their YouTube channel. I'll put a link for it down in the show notes. They also have a great YouTube channel, shows you how they rebuilt this boat. It's been very fun to follow. They're giving this boat away in August. So, fingers crossed. Till then, keep an eye out for the next adventure these Kuyons are taking.